the only religious personality on earth to obligate acquiring education is none other than beloved most Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who commanded every Muslim, which clearly means every Muslim man and every Muslim woman shall obligatorily acquire education. As recorded in Sunan Ibn Majah, volume number 1, hadith number 224. Glory be to Allah. This single command of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is enough to answer the allegation or misconception that Islam does not permit women to acquire education. If you observed, I recited a supplication from the glorious Quran from Surah Taha, Surah number 20, ayat number 114, which is A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, meaning, O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Glory be to Allah. From the time of the revelation of the glorious Quran till this date of 18th of July 2020, not a single mufassir of Quran, that is, not a single exegetist of the Quran, or not a single eminent scholar of Quran has ever said that this supplication in Surah Taha, Surah number 20, ayat number 114 is only for the Muslim man and not for the Muslim woman to acquire education or to increase in knowledge.